Good afternoon, everyone. We are a digital health company focusing on cancer early diagnosis with our proprietary technology, pure digital medical navigation platform. We have a blended team of experts. Tunç is a thoracic surgeon, Bora is an electronics engineer, and I'm a regulatory and strategy expert. And we have an R&D engineer for signal processing and also for software architecture planning and product management right now. We have been founded in 2017. And up to now, we have been involved in some accelerator programs, just like Yıldız Technopark and TTGV HIT programs, and we have obtained our ISO certification for medical devices. And we have also signed some exclusive distributor agreements for some countries, and we have obtained a CE certification for our lead product. So these are the awards that we have obtained so far in 2.5 years. So what we do have created a technology platform which can be used for lung, colorectal, and prostate cancers, and it is for early diagnosis, and it's a medical device and software as a service. So our first product is Presimon for lung cancer. That's a product to be used with bronchoscopy devices, sorry. We have obtained European Union CE marking for that one, and we are ready to go for sales, and we are setting up sales organizations now, and it will be FDA cleared in a 1.5 years period. So why we have chosen lung cancer? Because by far lung cancer is the most common cause of deaths for cancer by cancer type. And when it comes to bronchoscopy procedures that you use to diagnose this type of cancer, it is almost 8 million over the world, and our software has been used along with these bronchoscopy procedures. This is a screenshot of what we do in a nutshell. We are providing a navigation system for bronchoscopy. Why we do that? Because if you cannot hit the tumor, you cannot diagnose in the biopsy. So we are ensuring that you hit the tumor with clinical trials that we have conducted so far over 20 patients, and we have no risk of abundant bleeding because we have the mapping for those blood veins, sorry. And there's a modality called electromagnetic navigational bronchoscopy. We don't need any equipment apart from these guys, except we don't need any equipment, we don't need any pads to be placed on patients, we are just a software. So our future plans, we will be in USA next year, and we are starting sales even in Europe and Turkey this year, and we will be also focusing on the other product candidates. And here are the number of procedure sales. Overall, it's the sales forecast that we have currently estimated. It's ramping up with the US sales, and EBITDA is for the first couple of years just due to investment. It is lower, but then it comes to, let's say, profitable margin, and we will have the use of funds for the $6 million, mainly for marketing as R&D and clinical trials. Thank you.
Thank you, Erdem.
Any questions?
One question, Erdem Bey.
Go ahead.
Erdem Bey.
Arda.
Pardon, Arda'cığım. Merhaba. This is a platform, just a platform, as you mentioned. Am I correct?
It's a platform technology.
Software you are talking about. Is
Yeah,
there
medical device software, correct.
Is there a device attached to this one you are selling together, or?
No, standalone. No, standalone.
Can you tell me a little bit, like, what are we selling? We are selling a platform here, or?
No. Based on that platform technology, we have our first product, Presimon, for lung cancer. We are selling software as a service per procedure. Once the thoracic surgeon wants to use our diagnostic tool, they can use just like pay per procedure. It's very easy.
That's what you say, yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So for the 510K approval, usually you have certain predicates, right? Like you'll show similarity to some companies. So
yes, electromagnetic navigational bronchoscopy that has to use some equipment, heavily capex investments. It is basically the same technique, but they cannot, let's say, align, or they cannot navigate without any equipment, but we can. That's the difference. So basically, although we are aiming the same indication, it will be 510K overall. It's not a PMA, but we can be able to do it without any equipment. That's the main difference.